A deeper analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video and leave a comment if you wish to. So let me first of all, guys, speak about this signal which I have sent here last Thursday on the gold, and thankfully the reversal happened exactly at the given price of 2319, and the gold went in 160 pips of profit before the core PPI news hit the market, and the gold rose again, of course, upon the news, but went back in profit of 240 pips. But after that, the gold rose again above our entry. So what happened? Actually, thankfully, I was able to send this notification on Telegram informing everybody to cancel this signal because it has reversed almost from the take profit level. Now again, those who have joined our free group of Telegram, they were able to receive these notifications, but those who refused to join the free group, they had to face the losses alone. That's the reason, my friends, I'm telling you always, it's really important to join our free group of Telegram. Now, how to find the link to join the group? By simply look up at any of my videos on YouTube and just simply scroll down to the description, and right here, my friends, you will find the link to join our free group of Telegram. You will also find the link to actually contact our support to join our VIP Signals channel on Telegram as well. And speaking of the VIP, I would like, my friends, to show you the results of our signals in the VIP. Look at that. That is so profitable. That is really so green. And thankfully, we have been able to close the last week with 625 pips of profits to our clients in the VIP group of Telegram. Thankfully, Xtreme Trader is a very successful signals platform, and of course, there are tons of scammers who actually impersonating our name and logo and pretending to be Xtreme Trader. So please, my friends, be aware of those scammers. Make sure that you are joining the real and authentic channel on Telegram for Xtreme Trader, and you will receive these updates about the signals from me personally. So, back to the gold right now. Let's see now, my friends, what we can do next with the gold, because obviously we can no longer sell this pair. Let's now move to the weekly chart. So right here, based on the weekly chart, I would like to show you something. Right here, my friends, we actually have this support trend line. Now what I will do next is simply clone the same line that I have just drawn here and place it all the way right here at that level of a key resistance trend line. Now, what do we see right here? That's really interesting. So right now, we have actually a channel right here, and the gold seems like it's actually ranging on that channel. Now, the gold has actually just made the third attempt of a resistance trend line on the edge of the channel. Right here, we have a resistance trend line number 1, here number 2, and right now number 3. So meaning the gold eventually, on the long run, is going to continue the fall. But for the next week, however, in my opinion, is going to continue the rise. Now, keep in mind that we are talking here about weekly candles. Now, speaking of weekly candles, this candle right here is an actual good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. That is my actually favorite price action for the bullish reversal. It's called inverted hammer. Now, what we can see right here, of course, this is for the 2 weeks candle, 2 weeks ago candle, and this one right here, of course, was the last week candle, which means the next week, the last week candle was a blue candle, which means that this price action is indeed working well and is confirming that the gold most likely is going to continue the rise. So I believe, in my opinion, that the gold, since it's actually have shown here a good price action for the bullish reversal on the weekly chart, meaning the gold will continue the rise for a few more pips before finally start the bearish fall, which means until then we can look to buy the gold. So moving now to the daily chart. Now here on the daily chart, we can notice here that the gold indeed has actually been ranging a lot on that level of a previous support. Now what happened right here? What happened is like this. Based on the daily chart, we can see that we had here a channel, as we can see, or a triangle, you can call it a triangle. However, what we have right here also is a broken level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So now the market has created here a resistance trend line, and then it has made a bullish breakout candle right here, and finally the gold has just retested that broken level of a resistance trend line. So meaning right now the market is actually on the creation of a new supported trend line, which means the gold most likely, my friends, is going to continue the rise at least to reach the highest level of a resistance right here at the bracket of 2,377, which is gonna be of course our take profit level. So let's right now highlight that this is right here is gonna be our take profit level. So the gold most likely is gonna continue to rise at least to reach that level. Deleting now the trend lines. Now let's talk about our entry and where we can expect to start buying the gold. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. So right here on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is simply a strong level of a key support, as we can see right here. And I would like to zoom out right here and to draw the line right here. Make sure it's correct, exactly like that. So to be like, frankly speaking, it's like that. Yes. Now let me show you something. What I did right here is simply draw here a support trend line. Sorry, a support line, not a trend line. A support line that matches up with this level of a strong key support in the past, and also right here a strong key support level, which was also a key support right here. So notice that every single time the candles reaching that level, it makes a strong spike. Right here we have a attempt of a support and then a long tail. Again, touch the support zone, a long tail, and right here a long tail, a long tail, a long tail. Always the market makes a long tails whenever it touches this level of a support. Now what happened here is, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here we had of course a resistance level. Now the gold has actually went below that level of a strong key support level, and again rose above that level, but again went back below that level, and now again rose above that level. So meaning right here we have an actual fake breakout. So what we're looking at right here is a real level of a support, a fake breakout, and now we are hoping for the gold to continue the fall to reach the same level of a real support, and after that it will continue to rise toward our take profit level. I believe it's a very simple and straightforward analysis, and based on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like a winner signal. Now let's look at the current pattern that we're having right here, this one right here, and let's now apply the Fibonacci retracement on it to make sure that our entry is valid. Check this out. Almost valid, yes. We just need to adjust the line a little bit, just a nudge right here. So make sure that we can actually trade the gold exactly at Fibonacci 50. Now, let me just tell you something, that since the gold has actually made here a strong bullish movement and actually broke out from 61.8, now it means that the gold is going to continue to rise, and this is going to continue to be an upper trend. And that's the reason I'm telling you guys that we most likely have to wait for the gold to fall all the way back to Fibonacci 50 at 2,319 this time. And of course, that was, I would like to actually change my entry to be right here. I feel more comfortable if we buy at 2,320. So that's going to be our entry. Let's wait for the gold to fall to another 122 pips before we can proceed to buy it, aiming the nearest level of a key resistance right here exactly at 2,373, expecting around 530 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support to our entry at 2,298, ranging for around 220 pips only. And there goes my predictions for the gold. I hope it's gonna be a profitable one. And again, my friends, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive all the updates that you need about this signal. If I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you personally right here on Telegram to cancel this signal, or I might actually tell you to close it right now in small profit before it makes any bearish reversal. So again, joining this group is very beneficial for you guys, and you will not trade by yourself. Always trade safely with the Xtreme Trader team. So until then, my friends, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.